there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to DalePaulSlots. We're going to be playing a little bit of Lightning Dollar Link today. Chica Bonita. Let's see what she has for us today. We have $455 in there, 2-cent denomination. We're going to go with, let's go with a $4 bet, maybe. And we'll switch it around a little bit. Need 6 of the coins or 3 of those hot peppers that'll take you into free spins. Oh, two more. That was the minor. It's a $100 minor. Okay. And she's wild. That gives us $9.40. $200 coin over there. $13. Ooh, triple mini. Let's go to, let's see, game menu, 5-cent. And we will go, it's $5. Just a $2.50 for now. Let's see what she has for us. One more. Come on, Chica. Wow. There we go. There we go, a few kings. Okay, let's see what else we have for denomination. What is 10 cent? 10 cent is $5. So we'll try it. Well, I'll tell you what. Instead of doing that, why don't we go back to 2 cent, $4. We were at least hitting something. Yeah, we were getting something there. Cantina. $8. One more. There we go. Okay, now we got some free spin. Okay. Let's go. Come on. It's the lucky wristband. Come on. Oh, come on. Coins. Yes. 2-cent denomination. Come on. Show me the words. Okay. Good start. Okay. Words. Oh no. Come on, we got 5 spaces open. A lot of real estate. But no such luck. Not too bad. Okay, let's see what we have here. 8180. We got 1 spin left. There we go. 8180 for the total. Did we do anything else? 2 more. Okay. A little bit there. One more. Close, but no cigar. Come on. Whenever you get the blockers in the front, you never get anything afterwards. Yeah. Let's change to, we're going to go back to 5 cent for a little bit. For 5, it's 2.50.
Sorry, I have a bunch of ones for you, unfortunately.
No.
And 110.
There you go. Thank you. Always remember to tip your waiters and waitresses. When you're here, they work very hard. Okay. Get some kings for $1. Boy, it's hard squeezing anything out of her. Trying to get a coin or anything. A little bit there. There we go. Back in the bonus again. Come on, we need some coins. Coins. Oh, okay. Cantinas all the way across. That'll work. Yes. Back into it. This is 5 cent denomination. So let's see what we've got. Minis 50, minors 250. Major is at $610. And the grand jackpot, if you are so lucky, is $16,417. Okay, we got 5 spaces open. Come on, don't leave me here. One more. Oh, woo, just saved that one. Let's try again. Words. How about a word? There, okay. Let's see if we get a change of music with this one when it drops. Come on, I know you can drop. Okay, last spin. Good luck. Okay. Okay, we got $60. There's spins left. Can we do it again? Don't know why not. Come on. Oh yeah, all those. Oh. Okay, last spin. Last spin. Little bit, little bit. Okay, $76.60. Do our 3 backup spins. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for stopping by DalePaulSlots. I can't complain. She was pretty good to us. So, and we had a lot of fun. Anyways, please remember to hit that subscribe button and may your slot be hot.